Non-governmental organizations are voluntary organizations because they are free from governmental control in their functioning. They are democratic and open to all those wishing to become member of the organization and serve the society. They have assumed a significant space in civil society, which is fast emerging today due to the weakening of the state. We can further define NGOs as formally registered not for profit association of groups of individuals founded on the principles of equality, altruism, and voluntary work spirit to promote human development under bracket including environment and biodiversity and nation building. NGO is a popular term which has gained currency at global level and commands respect in society due to its welfare service in society. The organization does seek financial assistance from the government, but it operates, at least theoretically, on its own principles and programs. NGOs are, in principle, open to voluntary membership. Anyone may become member by choice and resign from the organization at one's own will. Over the years, NGOs have found a place in the 5 year plans of the government. Sometimes it is in the form of their roles in the rural sector development, and sometimes it is in the formation of self reliant groups. The government is coming up with schemes such as Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and allocating crores of the budget to the same. Hence, it is important for the people to understand the importance of education. Poverty and illiteracy are the two black spots for our country. In fact, both of these are the root cause of many other problems. As the volunteers of NGOs have the need to develop a bond with the cause and the concerned entities, it helps in easy implementation and execution of different governmental schemes. They have played an important role in making people understand the importance of education, curbing the means of social evils such as child marriage, sati, etc. Night schools have become common in the rural areas where the children and working adults can come and study. Stop.